Hello and welcome to this series of onboarding videos for TPdoc, the online transfer pricing documentation solution provided by TaxModel. In this first video, we will cover the client management. So let's get started. We are currently in the client menu. The first action for onboarding a client to the system is via the client management menu in the top right corner here. In this overview, you can press the Add Client button and add client information such as the client name and an internal reference ID that you might use. In the second step, you can determine which team members have access to the client. By pressing this Add User button, you can add team members via their email address, and you can provide them with full or limited access and user rights, depending on whether the super user role is selected or deselected here in this box. In the next step, users can already set up a certain fiscal year that is to be documented. Via the drop-down menu, users can select the corresponding calendar year, or they can also specify a custom range for broken fiscal years. Further below, and again via a drop-down menu, users can add the deliverables or local files to be prepared, for example, here for the Netherlands. Then for each work item, a deadline can be provided and users can be assigned preparer or reviewer roles for the future workflow. When all the information is filled, the client is added to the system by clicking the Create Client button. Then going back to our starting point, where we can select the work items menu in which users can keep track of the preparation status of all their files. This overview is cross-client and also allows for a filter and a keyword search. At the bottom, there also is a convenient calendar view where users can keep track of all their important deadlines. That is how clients are created and deadlines are managed within TPdoc. Thanks for watching this video and hope to see you in the next one.